morning and welcome to Eagles Nest Live for your AHS Morning News. Hello, I'm Logan.
Hello, I'm Allie.
And I'm Courtney, and we're here to provide you with the news for today, Wednesday, September 16th. Please remember, if you have trouble with your device at home, you may contact our help desk at tech.help@davis.kyschools.us.
I'm sure all of you know that right now we are currently in a pandemic. And because of this pandemic, we've had to change the way that we live and do a lot of things. One thing that we've had to change is the way that we do school. Due to COVID, our schools have switched to something called the stoplight status. We were in the red light status, which meant that we only met online and through Google Meets. But as of September 14th, we've switched to the orange light. This means that elementary and middle schoolers are going to school in an A/B status while we stay online and do school. Now that we know a little bit about what school looks like because of COVID, let's see how the students feel about it.
Little kids have been affected the most. One, because, they're little and they have no clue what technology is. They have more of a knowledge, but it's more like a phone or anything, and they just can't sit in front of a computer for 4 hours for that duration and everything. The worst part of online school for me is when teachers try to put us in groups and nobody talks. Driving down the road, and I was like,
in my bed,
playlist, and,
on my desk, on my
Yeah.
floor, just wherever I feel like, really.
When it canceled my entire track season, and we couldn't start volleyball until late August.
Exactly.
I personally think online school is bad because most students need face-to-face interaction to really learn something.
This pandemic has changed the way our classrooms look, but that hasn't stopped us from working hard. Remember, every time you leave, to wear a mask and follow all the CDC guidelines so that we can come back to the classroom.
The Apollo Spirit Store is open daily from 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. If you would like to purchase an item from the Spirit Store, please call the school office at 270-852-7100. To make an appointment, you may also email the AHS Spirit Store manager, Ms. Kim Myers, at kimmyers@davis.kyschools.us.
Breakfast and lunch are free for all DCPS students this semester. While we are on orange light status, Apollo High School students can pick up free meals on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays from 11:30 to 12:30 at the Gemini drop-off and pickup area.
We want to wish the girls soccer team and the freshman volleyball team good luck as they host Davis County this evening. Go Eagles! Thank you and have a great day.
Morning and happy Wednesday to you. Wanted to mention the girls volleyball last night. I'm so proud to see our girls in competition. First and foremost, got to see some of our ENL cast live last night. But the best part about that is not just seeing them be able to participate. Again, we missed a lot this past spring in all of our activities and events, and it's something that we will never get back. So it makes your heart feel good to see that we are at least able to compete and be safe about it. But again, beating DC was absolutely topping on the cake. So congratulations to our girls volleyball. Keep up the good work. It was a good win last night. Just a reminder to everyone, yes, please continue to wear your masks, social distance. Things seem to be going well in the K through 8 world here in DCPS. And a week from today, we are going to have our Group A freshmen in the building for an orientation day. And we're going to get more details out about that here pretty soon. Let our families know what that's going to look like. The following week is going to feature a week with our freshmen trying out the AB schedule in person. We are also going to, the following week, on Wednesday give an orientation day for our B group freshmen. So this is all in transition, hoping that things continue to go well and we will soon see the rest of our student body in our building on an A-B rotation after fall break. So we look forward to seeing that. As far as birthdays go today, on this Wednesday, the 16th, Richard Becchia celebrating a birthday, Nicholas Bell, Tarek Hunt, Kelly Lopez, Yanni Samal Bautista, Alexander Sapp, and Evan Wilson, all celebrating birthdays today. Let's make it a great day in Eagle Nation.
Please stand for the pledge. Attention, salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.